Nginivusele egameni lika Jesu Kristu umsinzisi. Ngicale ngekuthi happy birthday kulabo labatalwa namuhla. Kwangathi inkosi ingabanzisela abakhule baze bakhokhobe egameni lika Jesu. Amen. Maswati lamahle ngidawukhuluma ngeligama lapha lelithi breakthrough. Ngidawuthatha 3 minutes kuphela kule video le. Lelithi breakthrough. But ingakafiki lapho ngicela ku-highlighter nako. Ngakhuluma emagama ngathi i-weakness yenu ningema pro-democrats kuthi anifuni kuhlala phasi nilalele nibuke tinto nibuke tonke tindlela bese senibuka ema probabilities nema possibilities eku-achieve leto tinto leto and anifuni futhi kuyalwa noma kwelulekwa. Ngaze ngathi kube lo hulumende bekahlakaniphile, ngabe kudzala aninqoba, ngabe kudzala anisilencer, ngabe kudzala anishaya wanehlula. Maneke nibokubonga kufa kwaBarnabas, ngoba kufa kwaBarnabas kwenda ukuthi ingqondo yalelive ife, lokuqabanga kwalelive nako wahamba nako. Nibokubonga kufa. Kube usekhona Barnabas, ngiqinisile ngifunga ukuthi buntamake. Namuhla ngabe le ndwe ye struggle lena ayisekho because ninema loopholes lamanyenti kakhulu kini leningafuni nekwalungisa. Bese sengitshela namagama nawo latholakala encwadi eBhayibhelini encwadini yemshumayeli lathi luphuya luyakwati kufaka isandla endishini kodwa alikwati kusiyisa emlonyeni. Luphuya aliyati ngisho nendlela leya edolobheni. Wa underline lamagama lawo ukuthi asho ukuthini. Ngemavu lamafisha kube emaswati sekafike esigabeni sebuvila lolo sebunyanyisa sakhohliwe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi itandla letivila phako tilithulusi la Sathane. Noma uhulumende namhla beyangafike anidzinze ngemali labanyenti ngeke bathi nalo sibatayendana because sekulahleke le vision kwalahleka nalomsebenzi lokuba netikhwepha temsebenzi. Ngicela nitifune nitithole maswati ukuthi nibobani kucala. Bese sengikhuluma ngale gama le breakthrough. Leli gama lelithi breakthrough lingemagama lamabili. Litendo letimbili leti combined. Sento sekucala is to break. Sento sesibili is to go through. Which means before you go through you need to break something. Or something must be broken first. Let's assume it's a wall. Before you can get through to that other side, you need to break the wall first. Now, let's speak again. Struggle. Kule struggle there is a wall. There is a new what we call government. Formation bema Democrats. Now there is a government. Loyo government wenu kuze ete atobang government la Eswatini. Kudzinga lendlela yendlula ku government wethu lolo khona la Eswatini. Which means you need to break this government. My question is, how possible it is? Will you be able to break the defenses, the defense lines of this government? Lokufaka ekhathi lesive semaswati. Ngoba akusho ukuthi sonke sive semaswati sesingema pro democrats. Kunesive lesikhulu semaswati lesisive semaswati. Le bese sekuyabuya kuba ngulo government with all her wings. Are you able to defeat this? And kunengosi lapho, will you be able to defend or to defeat the monarchy? Because in Kumbule ukuthi the king will never say, oh, okay, oh, you want to form your new government, okay, it's fine, here is the throne, take it, form your government. It will never be like that. Bufakazi baloko, there are people who have already lost their life as a sign that the government will never give up that easily, will never. That is why I spoke as a prophet ngathi umbuso waseSwatini uNkulunkulu ungikhombise uphakeme uqinile. Ngiko uNkulunkulu angakanginiki ukuthi nginitshele ukuthi lwanini because you will fail. uNkulunkulu uthi they come with a strategy, a peaceful strategy. Nganitshela ngathi the cause of the problem can also be the source of the solution, but anifuni kufa nini nikhetha tikhwepha. My questions ke athi, do you care for your own life? Do you care for your neighbor's life or somebody else's life? Do you want to prevent death, will you be happy if you see yourself death or other person lose his or her life because of the struggle? If yes, then you are heartless. If no, then you must change the struggle. First of all, nakandu ukuthi kunebantu abanisasatelako bona abekho. Abaviki ngisho na yinye inhlavu, abahishwa na tear gas, mara bayanisasatela. Bathi kwendeni lokho. Sangilukani ngemaswati, ngicela nithathe strategy lesinye. Kude lolwane struggle, kude lo siphikisako, siphikisa le system noma siphikisa le strategy. Ni dane strategy lesi unlawful and ungodly. Ngiyethemba kuyevakala. Government is a giant compared to you, so you can't do anything. You are wasting yourself. You are wasting the little resources. Let's come out. Let's come down, all of us, to a negotiating table. We can come up with a very beautiful Swatini through the table. Even angikhulumi ngale dialogue, because leyo dialogue leyo leleni ifuna kuyoyenda is not a dialogue, it's a fight. It's just that the fight will no longer be physical, it will be of words. Angikhulumi ngaloko lokuyolwa lokho. Mina ngifuna sifike esigabeni sokuthi sihlale phasi siqhawulane nalomnye akhothe lomunye nalomnye athele lomnye imandi, sikhothane emanxeba sisonke kanye bese sithola le ndlela, ngoba le ndlela ikhona. Ngiyethemba kuyevakala. Inkosi nibusise. Amen.